Campbell, what do you have there? What is that called, Campbell?
Bob.
That's Bob. That's right, that's Bob. Colin, what is that called, what you have in your hand?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man what?
Spider-Man thinks on X.
On the umbrella?
Yeah.
Cammy, let me see your umbrella. Oh, look at Cammy's umbrella. Campbell, what is that?
Bob.
That's Bob. I know that's his name. It's Bob the Builder. Colin, get up off the deck, please.
I see a water.
There's water. Why are you going to lay on the deck, too?
A water.
The water.
Rain coming down, Mommy.
Yeah, right on you, huh? The rain. And your coat? What color's your coat?
Red.
Yep.
Water pea.
Your brother sleeps? Go get him, Cammy. The rain clouds opened up, yeah.
Yeah.